Hi everyone, this is Grandma Chrissy and I'm reporting to you from the playroom today. And we're going to talk about something it can kind of be funny, but it can kind of be aggravating. And that's when you get the hiccups. And I have a really cute story called I Can't Stop Hiccuping. And it's about a boy and girl named Charlie and Lola. And maybe you've seen them on TV. So it's going to be a cute story. I think you'll like it. I can't stop hiccuping. This is going to be fun. You ready? Let's see if I can read the words on here. I have this little sister, Lola. She is small and very funny. Lola is practicing the words to her song. She is singing it with Lotta tonight at the school concert. Lola and Lotta sing, "The spring is here, the cold has fled, the flowers bloom and raise their heads. Spring is here, spring is here, spring is here at last." Then Lola and Lotta giggle and giggle until hic! Lola hiccups. In art class, Lola paints a bird with a big tail and a teeny tiny beak. Hic! When Lola hiccups, her brush flies across the painting. Arnold says, "Now it looks like an airplane." And Lola says, "But I didn't want to hic paint an airplane." At recess, Lola says, "My hiccups won't go away." So I say, "I have an idea. Look at my finger very, very closely." Then Marv jumps out of nowhere. "Boo!" Lola screams, "Why did you do that?" And Marv says, "To scare away your hiccups." And Lola says, "Oh, they're completely gone." In class, Lola says, "The concert's going to be all right now that my hiccups have gone away." Lotta says, "Oh, yes. And do you like my tower?" Lola leans in for a closer look. Hic! Lola knocks Lotta's tower over. Lola says, "Sorry, hic, Lotta." At lunch, everyone tells Lola different ways to get rid of her hiccups. She pats her head and rubs her tummy. Hic! She drinks from the wrong side of the cup. Hic! She says, "Ah," for as long as she can. Hic! Then Lola tries lying on her back and wiggling her legs in the air. Lotta asks, "Is it working?" And Lola says, "Yes, they're gone." But later, during our snack, hic, Lola's hiccups come back. "Oh," Lola says, "at first they were funny, but I don't want to have them anymore." I say, sometimes things can be fun at first, but then you can get a bit fed up. Like strawberries. The first one's always super delicious. And Lola says, "But if you eat too many of them, they are not fun. Just like my hiccups." So I say, "What hiccups?" And Lola says, "They're gone again." Lola and Lotta are backstage before the school concert. Lola says, "I haven't hiccuped for nearly 1 whole hour." Lotta says, "Should we practice? One last little practice?" Lola and Lotta sing their song, and they giggle and giggle. Then, hic! Lola says, Oh no, we better get Charlie. Lola says, Lotta made me laugh, and I got to hiccups again. How can I sing with hiccups? So I say, try making me laugh so I can catch your hiccups. Then you won't have them anymore. Lola wiggles and makes silly faces, and Lotta blows a raspberry. I say, hee 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 hee, hic. On stage, Lotta and Lola sing their song. The spring is here, the cold has fled. The flowers bloom and raise their heads. Spring is here, spring is here, spring is here at last. Lola sings the song without even one little hiccup. Everyone claps, especially me and Marv. Marv asks, how did you do it? I say, I pretended Lola had given her hiccups to me. We laugh, and all of a sudden I hic. Marv says, very funny, Charlie. And I say, hic. Now I really do have the hiccups. That's cute. There's a little strawberry, and they're right. If you eat too much of anything, you kind of get tired of it. So I love a lot of foods, but if I eat too many, I wouldn't like them anymore. So I just eat a balanced diet of a little bit here and there. Okay, so that was my story about hiccuping. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. I wanted to have you listen to a couple of hiccups I heard online. I've been looking for hiccup sounds. That's a funny one. What do your hiccups sound like? Maybe you can send me a recording of your hiccups. Okay, I love you, and I hope you have a great day today. Bye.